Well, I removed that driver just like I showed you in the video. And one of the things I noticed, is I can't do this with one hand. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. See that? Oops, gosh, I'm so sorry for the bad video, but the solder, sorry guys, gosh darn it. The solder basically was it was a cold solder. I mean, basically the wire is just moving around in there. So all I'm gonna do is resolder that, and this sucker is gonna go right back in. Driver's in really nice shape. So I think I got my culprit. I wish there was a way I can show you without, just don't want to drop that dome over, and here we go, let's see. See, I could almost just pull it out. It's not even barely connected. So I'm just gonna resolder that and you're good to go. Sorry about the bad video, guys, bye.